You're doing ElevenLabs voice cloning completely wrong, and it's costing you hours of frustration. Here's the step-by-step setup that actually works in 2025. Most people jump straight into uploading audio without understanding the fundamentals, then wonder why their cloned voice sounds robotic or distorted. The secret isn't just better audio quality, it's following ElevenLabs' updated workflow that most users completely ignore. Let me show you the exact process I use to create professional voice clones that sound indistinguishable from the original speaker. We'll cover everything from audio preparation to advanced fine-tuning settings that transform mediocre clones into studio-quality results. First, open your ElevenLabs dashboard and navigate to the VoiceLab section. You'll see the Add Voice button in the top right corner. Click it and select Voice Cloning from the drop-down menu. This opens the Voice Cloning Studio interface where the magic happens. Here's where most people mess up: they upload random audio files without proper preparation. Your source audio needs to be crystal clear, ideally recorded in a quiet environment with minimal background noise. The optimal length is between 2 to 5 minutes of continuous speech. Shorter clips won't capture vocal nuances, while longer clips can confuse the AI training process. Click the Upload Audio button and select your prepared audio file. ElevenLabs supports MP3, WAV, and M4A formats, but WAV files consistently produce the best results due to their uncompressed nature. Once uploaded, you'll see the audio waveform displayed in the preview window. Now comes the crucial transcription step that everyone rushes through. Click Generate Transcript and let ElevenLabs automatically transcribe your audio. Don't skip the review process, manually check the transcript for accuracy. Even small transcription errors can significantly impact voice quality. Edit any mistakes directly in the transcript editor before proceeding. Next, assign your voice clone a memorable name in the voice name field. Choose something descriptive that you'll easily recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple voice clones. Add relevant tags in the voice tags section to help organize your voice library. If you're finding this valuable, hit that subscribe button. We post tech tutorials daily and you won't want to miss our upcoming ElevenLabs Advanced Techniques series. Now we're getting to the advanced settings that separate amateur voice clones from professional results. Click on Voice Settings to access the fine-tuning parameters. The stability slider controls how consistent your voice clone sounds. Higher values create more predictable output, while lower values add natural variation. Start with a stability setting around 75% for most applications. The clarity setting determines how crisp and articulated your voice clone sounds. For conversational content, keep this around 60%. For professional narration or presentations, bump it up to 85%. These settings can be adjusted later, so don't stress about perfection on your first attempt. Here's a pro tip that most tutorials never mention: use the voice similarity enhancement feature found in the advanced options. This AI-powered tool analyzes your source audio for unique vocal characteristics like breath patterns, speaking rhythm, and tonal variations. Enable this feature by checking the Enhanced Processing box before starting the cloning process. Click Create Voice to begin the cloning process. Depending on your audio length and current server load, this typically takes 3 to 8 minutes. You'll see a progress bar indicating the training status. Don't close this window during processing. Interrupting the training can corrupt your voice model. Once processing completes, test your voice clone immediately. Click the Preview button and enter sample text that matches your intended use case. If you're creating a voice for storytelling, test it with narrative content. For business presentations, use formal language samples. The Preview feature lets you generate up to 30 seconds of audio for testing purposes. Listen carefully to the preview output. Does it capture the speaker's natural cadence? Are pronunciation patterns accurate? If something sounds off, don't panic. You can refine the results using ElevenLabs post-processing tools. Access the voice tuning panel by clicking the gear icon next to your newly created voice. Here you can adjust emotional tone, speaking pace, and emphasis patterns. The emotional range slider is particularly powerful. It determines how much emotional variation your voice clone can express. For dynamic content like audiobooks or podcasts, set this higher. For consistent corporate narration, keep it lower. The pronunciation editor is a hidden gem that lets you fine-tune how specific words or phrases are spoken. If your voice clone consistently mispronounces certain terms, add them to the pronunciation dictionary with phonetic spelling guidance. This is especially useful for technical terms, brand names, or industry-specific vocabulary. Test your refined voice clone with longer content samples. Generate a 2-minute audio clip using varied text to evaluate performance across different sentence structures and topics. Pay attention to how well it handles transitions between ideas, emotional shifts, and technical terminology. Here's an advanced technique for power users: create voice variations for different contexts. Duplicate your base voice clone and adjust settings for specific use cases. You might have one version optimized for energetic marketing content and another tuned for calm, professional presentations. This saves time and ensures consistency across different projects. Don't forget to organize your voice library effectively. Use the collections feature to group related voices by project, client, or content type. This becomes invaluable as your voice clone library grows. Add detailed descriptions to each voice, including optimal use cases and any special considerations. Finally, leverage ElevenLabs collaboration features if you're working with a team. Share voice clones with specific permissions. Some team members might need full editing access while others only need generation capabilities. Set these permissions in the voice sharing settings panel. Remember, creating exceptional voice clones is both art and science. Experiment with different source audio types, adjust settings based on your specific needs, and don't be afraid to iterate. The best voice clones come from understanding both the technical parameters and the creative possibilities. That's how you properly set up ElevenLabs voice cloning for professional results. Remember, we're here to help you navigate your tech journey with confidence. Subscribe for more cutting-edge tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video where we're diving deep into ElevenLabs' newest AI voice features.